crypto traders. Today, we'll guide you through transferring USDT from your OKX wallet to your Binance account. Whether for trading, investing, or security, this step-by-step tutorial has you covered. First, log into your Binance account. On the homepage, click Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Click Deposit, choose Crypto, and select USDT. We recommend using the TRC20 network for its speed and low cost. Copy the generated wallet address for the next step. Now, open your OKX account. Navigate to Assets and tap Withdraw. Search for USDT and select it. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Ensure you choose the same network as Binance, like TRC20, to avoid any issues. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. Double-check all details, especially the network, to ensure accuracy. Click Submit. You may need to complete two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Once confirmed, your USDT will be on its way to Binance. And that's it. Your USDT transfer from OKX to Binance is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto guides. Trade smart, stay safe.